Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm showing you how to remove anything from a photo in Canva. For example, look at this was the before and after removing this image, it looks like this. Anything you can remove from a photo, whatever is that. So let's do it how we can achieve this from using Canva. So let's move open Canva. After opening Canva, for example, I would like to just insert a photo like this one. Okay, this is a photo. Look, this is a photo. So I would like to just remove this object from this. So to remove this object, so let's first of all and select this photo. After selecting this photo, come here to the edit button. After coming to the edit, you will see magic grab. Okay, look at magic grab option. You will see that. Click that option. So here you have two options. Click whenever you click that, so that object will be removed. You can also use the brush, okay, to remove that object. For example, if you want to use the brush, let's decrease the size and just select the object that you want to remove. I want to remove this object. Okay, let's press grab button. So it will grab this object from the photo. Yeah, let's wait for it. So look at how beautiful it is. Look at now you can move it and place it in another place, or you can just delete it. Press delete button to delete that. So that's how we can achieve using Canva. Uh, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.